CorelDRAW lets you draw polygons in two types of stars, perfect and complex. Perfect stars are traditional-looking stars and can have a fill applied to the entire star shape. Complex stars have intersecting sides and produce original results with a fill applied. Draw a polygon from its center by holding down Shift as you drag, or draw a symmetrical polygon by holding down Ctrl. Both polygons and stars can be modified. For example, you can change the number of sides on a polygon, the number of points on a star, or you can sharpen the star's angles. You can also use the Shape tool to reshape polygons and complex stars, just as you would with any other curve object. Polygons behave differently to normal shapes, such as rectangles and ellipses. Selecting a node with the Shape tool and moving it will move alternate nodes in the same direction. Converting a straight segment to a curve will also convert alternate segments. To modify each node separately, the polygon must first be converted to a curve. Perfect stars can also be reshaped, but with some restrictions. When you use the Shape tool to reshape a perfect star, the node movement is constrained. Also, on perfect stars, you cannot add or delete nodes, nor can you convert line segments to curves. To modify perfect stars, the whole star must first be converted to curves. You can draw two types of spirals, symmetrical and logarithmic. Symmetrical spirals expand evenly, so that the distance between each revolution is equal. Logarithmic spirals expand with increasingly larger distances between revolutions. You can set the rate by which a logarithmic spiral expands outward. You can change the default setting to the Spiral tool, so that all new spirals you draw have the properties you want. In the toolbox, click the Spiral tool. Type a value in the Spiral Revolutions box on the property bar. Now click on the logarithmic spiral. If you want to change the amount by which the spiral expands as it moves outward, move the spiral expansion factor slider. Drag diagonally in the drawing window until the spiral is the required size. You can draw a spiral from its center outward by holding down Shift as you drag. You can also draw a spiral with even horizontal and vertical dimensions by holding down Ctrl as you drag. To choose default settings for the Spiral tool, click Tools, Options, Tools. In the left pane of the dialog box that appears, click Spiral. Change the settings you want.